Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing this DIY Indian art form kit. I got this from Amazon and it is made in India product, and it is one of the best products that I have bought from Amazon. It consists of various craft projects and it is basically for age 8 plus, but I think it is for everybody who is interested in arts. If you are somebody who likes to art or paint, I think this is for you. Inside the box, there is one sling bag, one printed pouch, and four printed coasters, mandala templates, and various other bookmark and other templates. Along with that, you have got four acrylic markers, 10 blocks, and ink pads which you can use for stamping, and then one practice booklet is also there, and glass tube paints also. Best part is all the products that you have got inside for painting comprises of different traditional art forms of India. Like one is Madhubani art, other one is Slipan art, then mandala art, then Varli art. So you can get to paint all these different kind of arts with all the stickers and everything that is provided inside this pouch. Here you have got one practice book also, so you just practice along with the book. They have also provided one more book which explains different kind of art forms.